don't let it drop.
It's getting stickier in my hands.
You gotta keep it moving. You're doing so good.
What? What are you doing, crazy man? Open your hand. Put this on. Mix it now. So you can get it off your hands.
It's working?
I think so.
Yeah. Are you going to put that one with that one? Smash it at my head. Did you?
Bring it over here.
But I need to get my stool there. I need a bigger one.
Ah, small one. That's good. Keep careful. Keep your hand up when you grab it. Slowly. That's too giant.
Yay.
That's too giant.
No, it's not. Yours is better.
It'll work. Alright, roll over. A little more. Roll it.
Thank you.
Roll it. It's going to come off when you roll it.
Okay.
What's your idea?
Nothing.
Alright, done.
Dad, is the bottom oven cold?
Yeah.
Is the top oven hot?
Yes. Alright, let's wash your hand. Let's wash your hands.
Hey, I was here first.
You're not washing.
Ah!
Get out of here.
You poop, dour poop head.
You like soup?
Uh-huh. Are you go join?
Yeah, shortly.
And that's to me.
Soon.